Hello everyone, my name is Andy. The European markets are closing, so we will have a look at the DAX futures on the Oanda platform. What did we get today? What can we expect for tomorrow, Wednesday, October 18th? For the record, today is Tuesday, October 17th. Time is around 6 p.m. GMT. So overall in the DAX, we are expecting more corrective price action. So for a moment, I was thinking that our wave 2 low might be in right here, but what we are getting here, does not look really impulsive to me. It looks more like, more corrective price action. So therefore, my primary scenario is that this corrective structure here was only one leg of the corrective move we are making. So then I believe this WXY here indicated in red is just part of a larger WXY indicated here in green. So that would mean that here we are working on a wave X. So a wave X, which is currently unfolding, in my opinion, as as another WXY pattern. So there might also be like this here is the area where we should go for our wave X. So this is the area that we can find by taking the length of our wave W, and then the wave X goes into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. The surprise here would be that our wave X was in right here. So then it would mean here we have three waves, 1, 2, 3. So this is actually enough as a corrective move. Corrective move is three waves at least. So we have our three waves. So this could actually be the wave X. Why do I do not take this as a wave X? Because most of the time the moves are going into the areas that I specify, and so we did not reach the area right here. But from time to time, it does not happen that we reach the proposed areas, and so this could also be the case here right now. But for me, this is the exception. I always expect, or at least I base my trading on the fact that we are reaching, or on the assumption, on the assumption that we are reaching these areas. And so the way to go there, in my opinion, would then be through a WXY structure. We have here the wave W, the wave X down, and then next we need a wave Y up. I also show you here the scenario in case we have a low here, a wave 2 low, then we should have a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I do not really believe anymore in this scenario. This structure here is for me hard to classify as an impulse, especially like we do not end here with divergence, as you can see. And also on the 1 hour, there's hardly any divergence. This is not how I like to see an impulse. So actually, I will not really discuss this scenario here indicated in red. I would like to focus on the scenario in green, the WXY scenario. And so actually, the forecast of today was quite good, in the sense that we nicely reacted here from this area, this wave B area. So yesterday we had, maybe I should go to the 15 minutes for this. So yesterday we had here this wave A high, and then we could specify here the wave B area. So a wave B is supposed to go into the area between the 0.5 and the 0.854 FIB retracement. And we had a very nice reaction here to the upside, very nice bull run. In the meantime, we are coming down again, but this is also kind of normal because we took out the high here. We also reached an area from where we can expect downward pressure. Like this is also an equal leg area. If we take the length of the wave A, the length of the wave B, you see then here this area is the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIP extension. So we came quite close to it, and then it's normal to have this reaction. But now, in order to see more upside or the primary scenario playing out, then it's important that these lows here hold, because if these lows do not hold, then this would be a first indication that, like I told you in the 4-hour, that our wave X might be in right here, and that we do not get the wave Y. If we get the wave Y, then as you can see, this here is the start, let's say, of the wave Y. So it's a bit difficult to classify or to label this. I mean, we should expect more upside, but at this very moment, I label this as wave A and this as wave B. But it could also be that this is just the wave 1, the wave 2, 3, 4, 5 of A, then B down, and then C up. That's also possible, but therefore we need more data. But as we had, excuse me, as we had a short wave A right here, I thought I take the same approach now. Short wave A, B down, and then a wave C up. But of course, it could be that the wave A is still ongoing, that this is the B, and then we get another C for the moment, and then these, what we have now is the wave 1 of A, the wave 2 of A. We are working on the wave 3 of A. So for the moment, this is a bit unclear. But most important is if the primary scenario is playing out, more upside. But then, I would also expect these lows here to hold. If they do not hold, that does not mean that the WXY scenario is completely invalidated, but then we have to look again at the subwaves, how exactly to count then them. So I believe more corrective price action, difficult to trade. An impulse is of course way easier. You just buy the pullbacks and you let it run. Now we are in a different market, but it is what it is, and we have to trade it like it is. So, conclusion: corrective market. I would expect upside from here, but also take into account the surprise, which is that the wave X did not reach its area, and that the wave X is in right here. Okay, that's my analysis for today. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.